This video is a beginning belly dancing video on hip bumps. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go over how we can get our hips to bump, 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 bump. All right, to begin, we're going to start off with the posture that you want to hold as a belly dancer. You want to have your hips come in, our feet are under our hips. Our knees are nice and loose. We're not locking our knees. And the hips, they come in, and then you want to just find this nice in between. You don't want to have your sway back like a lot of women walk. Just pull it in, but keep it loose. The chest is open, the shoulders are dropped, the arms are out to the sides, and you want to have your fingers with the thumb and the middle finger together. So with this belly dancing posture with the arms out, the hips nice and loose, what you want to do when you do the hip bumps is you want to engage your glutes. So if you want to pop the right hip, keeping the hips tucked in, the chest nice and open, make sure that you're trying to lengthen the torso because that is our canvas when we're doing belly dancing. The right leg is straight and the right leg is bent, and we're going to straighten it and engage the glute. Bending the left leg and then straighten the left leg and engage that glute. Bop, 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 bop. All right, let's practice to some music now. And just engage one glute, then the other. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now do a double. Bump, 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 bump. Good job. Just keep going. Excellent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the little like button, subscribe, and share. Share with a friend so that more people can learn how to dance, stay fit, and be sexy. Thank you so much. May love and light be yours. Namaste.